everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a rule to automatically categorize transactions in QuickBooks. First of all, open the Intuit QuickBooks dashboard on your device. Now go to settings from the top right corner. Click on rules in the lists column. Here you can make rules to save time. Make rules for your frequently occurring transactions and tell QuickBooks exactly what should happen when conditions are met. Click on New Rule. Here you can create a rule and rules are only applied to unreviewed transactions. Firstly, name the rule you like and what you want to call this rule. For example, automatically rule. Now select apply this transaction to money out or money in. Here I am selecting money in. Select all in the include the following section. Add a description whether bank, text, or account. Tell what it contains and then enter the required text. In the end, you have to click on Test Rule to check the activity. Scroll down and then assign transaction type to check. Then select the category to purchase. Then select a sample customer and add some tags used. You can also turn it on to auto add. In the end, click on Save to save the rule. That is how you can create a rule to automatically categorize transactions in QuickBooks. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.